Hey Plant Pals, this is Mike the Cat Gardener, and I'm having a redo of a video I did earlier before where I saved zinnia seeds, or what I thought were zinnia seeds, but I found out, because this is a learning process for me, that I wasn't actually saving zinnia seeds. I was just saving compost for the garden, but that's fine. I found out that because, see, what happened is I found a zinnia that was like this that had no petals on it left, and I thought, well, for sure that these dried out things are what the seeds are going to be either in, or seeds themselves, but they weren't. The actual seed, I found out, is if you take one of these petals, and if you're lucky and you pull, and it has this little spear, if it'll focus on it, there's a little spear. See, this one looks kind of green, so I'm not too sure about it. But here's some that are super dry. And if I pull, there's a very brown, dried little spear. And apparently the spear part is the seed. So, I learned something. That's really cool. It was thanks to one of the comments in the comments section. They helped me out. They taught me something. I'm very happy to learn. So, I will now be saving this part, the little spear part, and I will for sure remove the flowers myself while they still have petals, and then just dry them out myself. And that's what I did with this one here. And let's see what happens. There are lots of little speary things on, or little leaves still. All right, and we've got a lot of little spear things. So that's cool. I learned something, and hopefully you'll learn along with me. All right. I'm not going to sit here and do them all, but that is a thing I learned. But fortunately for me, one thing I did learn how to do correctly. Grab it back here without spilling all my seeds. I got tons of different seeds I'm saving going on. I did save all of these marigold pods that were completely dried off on the plant. They just fell to the touch. They're brittle. They rattled. And so I'm positive that I have correctly harvested these beautiful marigold seeds. And as you can tell, I've got a ton here. So I will be spending a little while enjoying. It's kind of satisfying to do. Get all these little porcupine things out of it. And it's fun. So that's an update. Like I said, I'm not in any way, shape, or form an expert gardener. I don't have a green thumb. I am learning as I'm going. So, yeah, it's fun. All right. Well, hopefully that you learned along with me. You probably, a lot of these people here already know all this stuff. They're expert gardeners, but they're very kind to me. They didn't chastise me or yell at me, and that's great. Garden community is a wonderful community, and they actually help me out and teach me things. So I'm very grateful. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.